Hello viewers, welcome back to the course Learning Adobe Illustrator. Today I'm back with the fifth lecture, and in the last lecture I told you about, as you can see on the screen on my channel, I told you about the pen tool and different options that comes with the pen tool. The next thing was the curvature tool. That is a similar kind of pen, but you can do some round lines with that thing. And the other thing was the type tool, the text tool, the tool we use to write something in Adobe Illustrator. So before proceeding to the lecture, I'm going to just tell you one thing, that how you can reach to my channel. Just type graphics in Google and click enter. Here you will see some links. On the right side, here is my panel, here is my details on it, and if you go to the videos panel, here are the animations made by me, not these two, but rest of the others. So you can just click on any of the video and definitely you will come to my channel. So going back to my channel over here, and now continuing to my course. Here is Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to make a new file and I will use the attributes 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I'll leave the everything same, 300 ppi pixels per inch. You can either use RGB or CMYK. These are the color modes, so CMYK is mostly used, so I will choose CMYK and press OK. Today I'm going to tell you about the line tool, line segment tool. So if you click on it, the shortcut for this is the /. So as soon as we press the /, the cursor is changed. The process of using this line tool is a little bit different from the pen tool. In the pen tool, we click on one point and then click on the other point. So this is how the pen works. But in the line tool, we have to click and hold our mouse, our mouse button, the left button, and then drag it somewhere on the artboard or outside the artboard, and whenever we leave it, is going to make one line. So the segment is closed now, and the next time we're going to click, it is going to be a new layer and a new line. As you can see on the right side in the left in the layer panel, that when we click and drag and leave the button, there is a new layer produced over here. So every time we are going to make one line segment, one layer is created in the Adobe Illustrator. This is why it is very handy and useful. So we can just remove any layer, delete any layer that we don't want, that is mistakenly happen. So we can just remove the eye to make it disappear, and then we can reappear. So this was simple. Line segment tool, click on it, then click and drag anywhere and make a line. If you don't want any if you want the line to be straight, so there is one trick for it, one shortcut for it. Hold the shift key and then drag. It's going to make the line on the horizontal plane or on the vertical, in the middle of it, or vertical. It's not going to make any line other than these three sides. It's going to be on the other axis as well, but it's going to add or subtract 45 degrees to the line. So either it is 0 degree or 45 degree or 90 degree or plus 45, 180 degree. So this is why we use the shift tool to make a straight line. If we click and drag, we can make a line. But what if we just click on the artboard? We face a menu, we get a menu. So here we can fix any length of the line, any angle of the line, and fill or stroke of the line. So if I want the line to be 500 pixel long and I want the angle to be exactly 30 degrees, and I don't want the fill, I just want the strokes. So if I press, this is a 30-degree line, the length is specified to 500 pixels. So if you want to see that is the pixel similar to the artboard one, so I'm clicking over here, I'm giving it 1000 pixels and 0 degrees, and if I press OK, it's going to be as long as the artboard is. So here we can see, because we had an artboard of 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. So here is the line. The next thing we can do with the line here is we can adjust the width of the line. So here is the point for it, the stroke width. So as when we select the line to make the changes, and then we can use any of the presets over here, or we can just write our own number over here, or we can just scroll the mouse wheel to make it more wider or thinner. So here what we can do with the line tool. I hope this was enough for the line tool. So I'm going to break this lecture into 3 parts. So one would be the line segment tool, the second part would include the arc tool and the spiral tool, and the third part will include the rectangular grid and the polar grid. As these two are connected to each other and these two are connected to each other, so I just wanted to make short videos so nobody get bored. So I hope this has been informative for you. Please subscribe to my channel and see the videos that you like, and share it with your friends and anyone who deserve to see this video and course. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.